Calculus examples. Logarithmic differentiation. This is video 30, example 8. Using the alternative technique, find the derivative of the function y equals 3x squared plus 5 all cubed times 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fifth. Then compare this solution with the solution to the identical function obtained using the product rule in video 21. To review the above videos, you should pause this video now. All videos have been written and produced by Michael J. Bankhead. Example 8. Using the alternative technique, find the derivative of the function y equals 3x squared plus 5 all cubed times 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fifth. Then compare this solution with the solution to the identical function obtained using the product rule in video 21. Solution. The function is: Step 1. Apply the verbal form of the alternative technique. The derivative of y is dy by dx equals the right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Step 2. Bring down. Use the laws of logarithms to simplify the line function. From reminder 2 in scene 4. Since x is 3x squared plus 5 all cubed, line of x is line of 3x squared plus 5 all cubed. Plus is plus. Since y is 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fifth, line of y is line of 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fifth. Bring down. From Reminder 2 in Scene 4. Since y is 3, replace y with 3. Since x is 3x squared plus 5 times line of x is times line of 3x squared plus 5. Plus is plus. Since y is 5, replace y with 5. Since x is 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 times line of x is times line of 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Bring down. Using the distributive property, this derivative can be written as the sum of these two derivatives. Do not forget these brackets. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Write the last equation in Scene 2 as Step 3. Bring down. Find both derivatives. Using the verbal form of the chain rule for y equals line of f of x, bring 3 down as 3 times. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of 3x squared plus 5, which is 6x. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is 3x squared plus 5, and 3 times 6x divided by 3x squared plus 5 is 18x divided by 3x squared plus 5. Plus is plus. Bring 5 down as 5 times. This derivative equals the derivative of the argument of line is the derivative of 2x squared minus 3x plus 7, which is 4x minus 3. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is 2x squared minus 3x plus 7, and 5 times 4x minus 3 divided by 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 is 5 times 4x minus 3 divided by 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Call this equation equation 1. Step 4. Since equation 1 can be simplified, it must be simplified. Bring down. Since the denominators are 3x squared plus 5 and 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Separate out 3x squared plus 5, 3x squared plus 5, all cubed, becomes 3x squared plus 5, all squared, times 3x squared plus 5. Separate out 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fifth becomes 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 to the fourth times 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Bring this entire bracket down. Bring down. This expression times this quotient is equal to this quotient. Now cancel 3x squared plus 5 with 3x squared plus 5. Plus is plus. This expression times this quotient is equal to this quotient. Now cancel 2x squared minus 3x plus 7 with 2x squared minus 3x plus 7. Bring down. Expand the brackets. 18x times 2x squared is 36x cubed. 18x times minus 3x is minus 54x squared. 18x times plus 7 is plus 126x. 4x times 3x squared is 12x cubed times plus 5 is plus 60x cubed. 4x times plus 5 is plus 20x times plus 5 is plus 100x. Minus 3 times 3x squared is minus 9x squared times plus 5 is minus 45x squared. Minus 3 times plus 5 is minus 15 times plus 5 is minus 75. Therefore, dy by dx equals bring down. Collect up terms. 36x cubed plus 60x cubed is 96x cubed minus 54x squared minus 45x squared is minus 99x squared plus 126x plus 100x is plus 226x. Bring down. Final statement. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. Reminder 1. The function is apply equation 2. Bring down. The right-hand side of y is this expression, so substitute. Multiplied by is times. The derivative of is d by dx of. The line of is line of. The right-hand side of y, as before, is Reminder 2. To review the above reminders, you should pause this video now. Reminder 3. The derivative of p is found using the verbal form of the chain rule in equation 3. When then 3x squared plus 5 is the argument of line, and dp by dx equals bring 3 down as 3 times. The derivative of is d by dx of the argument of line is 3x squared plus 5, so substitute. Divided by is divided by. The argument of line, as before, is equals. Bring down 3 times. This derivative is equal to 6x. Bring down. Therefore, dp by dx equals 3 times 6x divided by 3x squared plus 5 is 18x divided by 3x squared plus 5. And this derivative is identical to the first derivative in equation 1, scene 3. To review the above working, you should pause this video now. When solving questions from your textbook similar to the example in this video, you should display scene 2 followed by scene 3, so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. If you want to find the derivative of y using logarithmic differentiation, then you should display scene 5 followed by scene 6 in video 29, so you can use them as templates to find the derivative. You can then compare logarithmic differentiation with the alternative technique. Finally, you should compare scenes 3 and 4 in video 21 with scenes 2 and 3 in this video to see which solution you prefer. You should then find this topic simple and beautiful. Cheers. Do not forget to check your answers with the answers in the back of the textbook.